How do I pair my earbuds to a new charging case?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common issue you may encounter with wireless earbuds: how to pair your earbuds with a new charging case. It might seem complicated, but don't worry. With this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process and make it as simple as possible. Let's get started.
Can my earbuds pair with a new charging case?
Before proceeding with the steps, it's essential to note that not all earbuds can be paired with a new or different charging case. Generally, only earbuds of the same brand and model are compatible with a replacement case. Always refer to your manufacturer's specifications to confirm compatibility.
Preparing your earbuds and new charging case.
First, you want to make sure both your earbuds and the new charging case are fully charged. This prevents any disruptions during the pairing process. Also, reset your earbuds to factory settings if your manufacturer's guide suggests it.
The pairing process.
Here's where the magic happens. Now, the steps might slightly vary depending on the brand and model of your earbuds, but generally, you'd follow these steps. 1. Open your charging case. 2. Place your earbuds in the new charging case. 3. Close the case and leave it shut for about a minute. 4. Open the case again. At this point, many earbuds will automatically go into pairing mode. Look for a flashing light or other signal.
Troubleshooting.
If your earbuds are not pairing with the new case, consider these troubleshooting steps. 1. Check your earbuds and charging case's compatibility again. 2. Ensure the earbuds and charging case are sufficiently charged. 3. Try resetting your earbuds to factory settings once more. 4. Refer to your manufacturer's guide for specific instructions or issues. That's it, folks. Pairing your earbuds with a new charging case is as simple as following these steps. We hope this video has made the process clear and easy for you. Always remember to consult your manufacturer's guide for the most accurate instructions. Until next time, keep the tunes flowing.